Children, in this video we will learn how to animate different objects in PowerPoint. So first we go to in Home and click on Layout, select the blank layout. Today we are creating CC. So for that, first we are going to the Design, Format. Today we are selecting Gradient, the mixture of two colors. From here I am selecting this one. Now we can set the color impact of the background like this. We can select, we are giving this effect. Now I am going to insert picture, online pictures. Boat clip art. From here you will select the picture without the background. So we have to insert first. Now I am selecting this one and insert. I am resizing this object like this. We can resize, and I am closing this window. Now insert shapes. I am drawing circle to display sun and give the fill effect to your sun like this. Now again I am going to insert picture, online pictures. Now I want bird clip art. Bird clip art. Now we can select any object from here. Okay, I am selecting this one. This clip part is without the background, so it's okay. Now I am resizing this object. Okay, now it's turn to give the animation effect to our objects. First select the sun, animations, fade. I am giving fade effect like this, and uh, on click or automatically on click. First object we will select on click, and I am increasing the duration to slow down the speed of the effect. Now I am selecting this one, fly in. Now I will place it to the target destination. This is the source destination and this is the target destination. So I have selected fly in from left, from left. Oh, sorry, from right. Increase the duration to slow down the speed, and now I am select and click on with previous. With the previous effect it will also run. Now I am selecting this one and I will also put it on the target destination like this. Select and fly in from right. increase the duration, and with previous. So all the animations will be displayed at the same time. Now I am pressing F5. For the first effect, we have to we have to press mouse click like this. All the effects are running at the same time. So by this, children, you can animate different objects at the same time. Thank you.